show. O video ban the church can be more. It may have a major damage, Gino Tokakabo, a set here will see. While I know more.
My people, now wow, not when person not go see or not when person not go hear. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. Hope so na dey fine. God go bless una to take help me take dey share, comment, like. I appreciate each and every one. Please, as you see this video, help me to share this video. Help me share this video. God go bless una. My people, when I see that video one I just see just now, I go play this full video for una. Mona listening to this our sister, this woman na from Edo State, because she dey speak Benin, na from Benin. I someone believe say na from Benin. Na no say we now with the Benin people will not be racist. As far as say you don't dey speak the Benin, we will take you as our own. Okay? So this woman na France, na she dey for Paris, na she dey. She cry come and say, make we call. Mona come see the one where she dey because that pikin one they see for there na a pikin. May God go heal that pikin in Jesus' name. Because according to the video when me watch, this a video where I go play for now, she talk about one pastor where be say he dey for France. If I dey play if una dey for France, una go know the pastor where she dey talk about. Because me I know dey for France, I don't know the area. He saying with this pastor get misunderstanding because waiting I not understand for inside this video because a very short video now she do. Whether she born for the pastor and be in with the pastor, then do business together, or maybe they just quarrel, or I don't understand, okay? I don't understand because where she for start the video, and now make me I dey tell una so. He said because in with the pastor, then get misunderstanding. The pastor tell her say he go chook hand for his eye. You know, say sometimes some people just fit say you just dey wait for me, you'll see what I go do you. But you know me say now that person really do something where they harm you. That make sometimes they talk say now this our mat you they follow and they drag ways, you know, because something come out for your mat, another person if you use them for your care, it still they happen like that. Now make can then they tell people say, I may you they pray, may your mat not carry you where you're not supposed to go. So she come and she do this video. They talk say the church where she felt they go, this pastor name talking name and everything, the area where it dey. Say the pastor, if they talk to that is they like they send something to them. No, she not the feel sleep. The pikin not feel they sleep. Hey, nothing where person not go yeah. Pastor, pastor where they for abroad. I agree to now. As pastor can't look for money for abroad. Now so me I can't still look for money for abroad. You know, say our people when they hear about church, then go they run up and down. White people church they there, they not they go. They'll say they not they call God the way they like him. The way where you take call God, then go say answer. You even don't say me they shout, they roll for grant, and your mind no clean. God not go answer you. If you sit down for inside house, your mind clean, everything, you not get all this maybe siakoto, buy this one, and your heart they clean. Even though say na inside toilet you dey call God, he go hear you. He go answer your prayer straight and direct. You know me say na every Sunday you must come gbale okuku you come gbale all this bugu where they gbalo they will come they tie different clothes every blessed day night then they buy clothes because of the one where they want we go Sunday where they come maybe the one do is the one where they want we go different. No say all this one so then they do it for abroad but na not vessel those one where they go but now those one where be say no they go with clean mind. Now they talk about you don't need to go sit down for church. They say maybe they call God, whereas inside your body or man clean. So now this woman cry come say may we see the one where they say if pikin if he dey sleep she go put his hand for inside his tongue take press and go down before the pikin go fit sleep. Me I never see that kind of thing before. I don't know whether she carry and go hospital. I don't know because she not talk all those things for here. But for me she need to carry this pikin first of all go hospital go look wetin they do. You know, because she they talk about say she not get money to take fight for herself, to take do all this waiting then they do, you know, all this to zese or everything. Say she not get money. you know, same everybody come wanna come rescue her for this kind of way they happen. Even she not they sleep again, especially her daughter. And that one I come like, may God not let the situation worst. Say because if you don't put hand for a mouth, you not go sleep. Because if you not put hand for Pikin mouth, you not sleep. How you want to sleep? I don't know. So I so much believe say this woman needs to first of all carry this Pikin go hospital, go look wetin they do. Because we know just sit down for his side and say, okay, now this person they worry me, or now this person they worry me. Make you sit down for his side, not carry and go hospital. You need to first of all carry and go. Make them look wetin they do. Because now somebody they talk my own. You know, when you go hospital, they come tell you say nothing they do, everything is okay, and you see say the Pikin not they okay. Then you from there you can't say now something of a spiritual something attack. You understand? I don't know whether she don't fair go or she never fair go because of the video where she do where I see now make me they talk all this one because we know say we come from Africa with the belief of all these things. So because if Pikin still get high fever. You understand when you the code don't high, don't reach 40. You go they see different thing. You go they see different thing. If you don't get up in the night, you go tell you say see snake for there, see this one for there. This thing, the time where I newly born my first son that time, on Moniginya my bava, you know. I don't know what they do as a mama or all these things. You know, we will be say we born for abroad for the first time. Your mama not there, your papa not there. Nobody to tell you what to do, not what to do. Now let you want to cocoa your egbe. Now let me want cocoa myself. If you born today, the next day you don't enter kitchen. Look for what you want to eat. You suffer enter. Unless say maybe if you get a person where be say maybe your husband your husband mama is there nearby if he still they come sometimes come they you know something like that otherwise them on a day for long distance now let you well that thing it happened to me that time when my Pikin dey small you know when he can't get fever the fever can't high me not know na the night it happen that time he just wake up for sleep I just touch am come see you know say as you dey the Pikin small you dey like make you dey carry and they sleep near you especially if you no feel fine so that in the night you dey touch am all the time see as the body dey be as he just get up he just tell me say he say see shit for there oh see shit for there oh see this one for the other one see the other one for that he come dey talk many different things you know so the thing come fear me come say hey wetin dey happen I can't remember when my mother-in-law tell me say if he body too hot because my mother-in-law know say he not feel fine he say if he body too hot in the night if he dey see many things so he go dey tell me something wey be say he not even dey exist he say I go just quick carry towel put am for water warm water that is water wey not too cold not too you know e not too hot you just put am hot open the tap put that towel just off your just dey clean the body dey wet am make the temperature for go down because when the temperature go high e go dey see different things go dey talk many things anything at all if they talk am so I don't know whether na that one dey affect this our sister because when temperature too high e dey bring different sign e go even dey tell you say see your mama for there see your papa for there if they talk many things so I don't know whether na that one dey do this our sister so me I play this video I just use my own to make example because of many people wey no know all these things may you know the thing say maybe na your village people na fly come it dey happen to most children when they get am like 39 40 my son was 40 you understand na night you know say na that time na the temperature take dey rise as day just break oh yeah that's why I just call doctor everything even when you just dey put the water or you wash your face or you just dey pour water for your body the temperature go down then paracetamol na they give before you come call doctor. You understand? When we watch this video together, but more like me share this video. So I pray God go heal that Pikin because we don't know what they really they do. Whether now the way mama te talk whether now that one we don't know. You know, say we they believe all this kind of thing. Me I put her.
Eseti ewese walanu wa mieme me mofa o walanu wa mieme me mofa wa gbo wa mieme me mofa la mi lekon o ya de gbola kan gbe me gbe mo akin ki bi church e ya kan gbe me gbe mo gbe mara mo ye o si mi ayona wa Zao Davio mo boba me glory o yin ya fe. O yin aji ma wo mo yari azigo. Agbon wala no wa mi me fa. Ola mi le kon ya gbe me mo o. Wala wa agbon wa mi me mo fa. Wala o church na e France o je ve Paris. Ola mi le kon Adegbola Jacob. E church e bobini oje ve e bobini e kene redeem church je e redeem na aro toto mana aro du no wala wa gbon wa mi e kan gbe won mo wa ovi mo bono salo wa ya we se 7 years oje ola mi le kon kan gbe won mo wa o agbon wala no wa mi e fa omo na ma yo boda me give na na vie o wa fi le yen yi ma we gbe o fi le yen gbe me gbo mo o le ri mo wo ri mo we yo do ave o ri do attack ma o la ja weze o vi enye le yan ya gbe me o fi le yen gbe me gbo mo no wala no wa mi me fa wa gbon wa mi me fa no wala ero mo ke bi jo mo azen ke bo so omo babe wala no wa mi me mo jo e ma le ni kan we ma mi go ya ze se wala no wa mi me jo agbon wa mi me mo jo wala o wa wi jo bo ni ma mi go ya ze se mama mi go ya we mi rokpa veni marona riro ge imaje mi da me jiwe ni na ginoto ma STV e ka son ke ba van eri kajo agbon wala o imami go ya we mi odekere na tv mi go ne na ya sun no yo bo gbudu ma mesere owe ide egbe mi go ya gun yen we mi rokpa pe mi go ya gun yen sin mi egbe agbon wala no wa mi mi omoji e number mo 07 58 96 68 10 or a number one is 07 a France ye Paris a number one is 07 58 96 68 10.
Now wow my people, now hear the story. My sister, I just pray say everything go there okay. You don't need to say you don't need to do all those things. Carry this Pikin go hospital first of all. Then tell Baba God anything where you do person. Uma wun wo ya pay. Uma we wun wo ya tie. Use your clear mind. Ege ho we me down, ka we me down and when Osalobo forgive you. Okay? Then you pray. Nothing go do your Pikin. You understand? Even though say you do somebody anything at all. Uma wun wo no bia wa ya pay. Uma we wun we o kan ya sa. You understand? That first of all, when are hospital, make them see what they do the Pikin. Because if you not go hospital, you don't know say something where they do you go they think say maybe na village people na fly come. Sometimes something nobody move like something just there for your body where they worry you. Now because of say you not get paper or you don't want to go hospital, now make you don't know what they do you, but you just suspect many things. So my people, help me to share this video. If you not know this woman, wanna tell her say may carry this Pikin. First of all, go hospital. May not give Azen or also. Azen also, if you believe, now they will come for you. If you not believe, then they not they come for you. And not go put your hand for bad thing. May the thing say problem nothing they happen. Okay? Because now me they talk and say now we human be now be God. Now we human be now still be devil. Okay? That's why that's what my own be. All right. Thank you for coming. God bless you for watching this video. Please pray for this Pikin. If you not know, mona tell and say nothing go do it Pikin. Make carry and go hospital. Now that one is important fact. If you not get money to go hospital, maybe not got documents, you go find somebody maybe we go help am with some money. Carry and go private. May you pay. Make the friend know what they do. I so now abroad with them. I so much believe say as far as saying as small Pikin, they go treat them. Even though say you not even get document. If you go hospital say you know where, they go treat you. They go treat you. The only thing they'll say you can't pay. Not be that moment. Tell them say you go pay. Even though say you not pay, they not they find. They not go come find you for. You understand? Thank you for coming. God bless you. Bye bye for now. I appreciate you now.